Hey there, creative minds. Today we have an exciting video for all Midjourney enthusiasts. These are very fantastic hacks that'll take your AI generated art to the next level. You'll surely learn how to enhance your creative skills using these tips. So let's get started with the top 5 amazing Midjourney hacks that you can't afford to miss. The first in the list is the power of specificity. Our first hack is all about being concise and specific with your prompts. While it may seem obvious, this is the most crucial aspect, getting stunning output from Midjourney. Avoid lengthy prompts and start with simple words that clearly express your vision. You can fine-tune the AI's interpretation by adding or removing terms to adjust your prompt. Don't overload the prompt with too many terms at once. Experiment to understand how Midjourney responds to distinct keywords. To level up your Midjourney skills, some users recommend keeping a journal or notes document to track your progress, preventing repetitive prompts and maximizing your image generation credit. For the power of specificity, emphasize the importance of starting with simple, clear words to avoid confusion in the AI model. Explain how experimenting with prompts helps understand the model's response to different keywords. Highlight the benefit of maintaining a prompt journal, track progress, and avoid repeating similar prompts. Mention that being specific with prompts saves time and image generation credit, allowing for more creative exploration. It also means to delve into the concept of prompt sculpting, where users iteratively refine their prompts to achieve desired results. Discuss the role of context and scene setting in prompt, allowing users to control the narrative of the generated images. Share insights from experienced Midjourney users who have found that specificity leads to more coherent and visually appealing output. Mention the advantage of setting clear goals and intentions with prompts that channel the AI's creativity in a focused direction. Encourage users to use descriptive language and sensory details in prompts to evoke specific emotions or atmospheres in the images. How can a few well-chosen words unlock the vast creative potential of AI in Midjourney? Specificity in prompt enables Midjourney to focus on crucial details, creating images that resonate with your artistic vision. Emphasize clarity and experiment with prompt variations to understand the model's interpretation, guiding it towards remarkable outputs. Second on the list is prompt generators for a boost. Sometimes finding the right words can be challenging. That's where a second hack comes in. Using a Midjourney prompt generator, these tools can kickstart your creative process and help you discover new and exciting ways to utilize Midjourney's potential. Whether it's ChatGPT or other prompt builder tools, incorporating these resources can catalyze your artistic journey and reveal fresh ideas for image generation. So if you ever find yourself stuck with words, turn to these prompt generators for a helpful boost. Therefore, prompt generators for a boost means discussing specific prompt generator tools like ChatGPT and other popular alternatives. Explain how prompt generators can offer fresh ideas and overcome creative roadblocks. Share success stories or experiences of users who have found inspiration using prompt generators. Suggest ways to combine human creativity with AI-generated prompts for even more unique output. It also means introducing lesser-known prompt generator tools that provide unique approaches to generating prompts. Share anecdotes of artists using prompt generators to overcome creative blocks and find unexpected inspiration. Discuss the compatibility of different prompt generators with Midjourney and how they complement each other's functionality. Suggest using prompt generators to explore diverse themes, styles, and visual concepts before refining the prompts for image generation. Highlight how prompt generators can benefit users with limited writing skills, allowing them to still create compelling visuals. Tired of creative blocks? What if there was a tool that could ignite your imagination and kickstart your Midjourney adventure? Prompt generators like ChatGPT synergize with Midjourney, offering a treasure trove of imaginative ideas. Embrace AI's creative output to fuel your artistic journey and explore a world of endless inspiration, leaving creative blocks behind. Third on the list is unleashing creativity with Creative Tag. Ready to explore unique and unconventional images? Our third hack involves using the Creative Tag in your prompts. By adding this tag, you guide Midjourney to generate more imaginative and distinct visuals. Expect vibrant color schemes, abstract designs, and out-of-the-box concept. Break free from the stereotypical Midjourney style. To use the Creative Tag, remember to also include -test or -test p, catering to variations for digital art and photographs. So let your creativity flow with this hack and witness Midjourney's true artistic potential. Unleashing creativity with -creative tag means showcasing examples of how the -creative tag has led to unexpected and innovative image results. Encourage users to experiment with a combination of tags like -test, -test p, and -creative for diverse outputs. Discuss how the -creative tag can be a valuable tool for artists seeking to push the boundaries of conventional art style. Explain how the -creative tag can spark innovation and infuse users to think of something new. This means showing different ways people have used the -creative tag to make unique and artistic artwork. Talk about how some users have tried using the -creative tag with other things to get special effects. Tell me about any new updates to the -creative tag that have made it even better. Share stories of artists who have used the surprising results from the -creative tag in their art. Tell users to try using the -creative tag in their art and see what they can create with AI. Are you ready to venture into the realm of imagination and creativity with Midjourney's -creative tag? Unlock boundless creativity with the -creative tag, steering Midjourney towards unique and conventional art. Embrace the vibrancy of abstract design and dynamic color scheme, empowering AI to paint an artistic canvas canvas. Fourth on the list is mastering stylization. Moving on to our fourth hack, the stylized tag. This feature allows you to exercise greater creative control over your prompts. With values ranging from 0 to 60,000, you can influence the AI's blending of landscape and human or animal faces. Higher stylized values produce more abstract output, allowing you to experiment with different visual styles. By using the stylized tag, you will make your creation more enhanced. It helps make your art look amazing and unique. Mastering stylization means to provide a breakdown of how the stylized tag value affects the level of abstraction in the generated image. Mention how artists can use a stylized tag to create unique styles and establish their artistic signature. Discuss the benefits of using different stylized values for specific artistic themes or genre. Encourage users to share their stylized creations on social media and engage with the Midjourney community. It also means to highlight the impact of different stylized tag values on the mood, atmosphere, and visual aesthetics of the generated images. Share examples of how artists have utilized a stylized tag to create digital artwork miming traditional artistic style. Discuss the potential of the stylized tag in creating visually striking images for book covers, album art, and other creative projects. Mention any recent development in the stylization feature, such as new presets or fine-tuning options. Encourage users to share their stylized artwork on social media platforms to gain feedback and engage with a wider art community. Can you envision the power of AI as a masterful artist, weaving strokes of stylization to create visual wonders? The stylized tag transforms AI into an artistic virtuoso, blending landscapes and human features with captivating finesse. Witness AI's flair for different artistic eras as it breathes life into your visions with each stroke of stylization. Last but not least, our fifth hack is combining hacks for unparalleled results. Our final hack is all about synergy. Combining the various hacks we've explored today can yield unparalleled results. Possibilities are endless, from specific prompts to using prompt generators, incorporating minus creative and minus stylized tag, and even exploring negative keywords. Don't hesitate to combine these techniques to create unique and mesmerizing AI-generated art that stands out. With continuous exploration and experimentation, you'll be well on your way to mastering Midjourney and creating visual wonders beyond your imagination. Combining hacks for unparalleled results means offering real-life examples of how artists have combined different hacks to achieve stunning and original artwork. Explain the importance of balancing specificity and creativity when combining hacks. Suggest ways to use negative keywords in combination with creative and stylized tags to refine image output. Encourage users to share their hybrid hack combination to inspire others in the Midjourney community. It also means to provide step-by-step guides on effectively combining different hacks or specific creative goals. Discuss the importance of experimentation and iteration when combining hacks to achieve desired outcomes. Share stories of artists who have found their signature style by developing unique combinations of hacks. Mention any contests or challenges the Midjourney hosts to encourage users to showcase their innovative hack combination. Emphasize the value of community collaboration where users share their hack combination and offer feedback to inspire others. Ready to embark on a journey of AI artistry where you wield a palette of hacks, craft unparalleled creations, unleash the full potential of AI artistry by combining diverse hacks in a harmonious symphony. Experiment with negative keywords, weights, and multiple prompts, elevating your creation to new heights of imaginative brilliance. Congratulations! You've discovered 5 amazing Midjourney hacks that'll elevate your AI-generated art. Remember to be specific and concise with your prompts. Explore prompt generators, unleash your creativity with a minus creative tag, and master the stylized feature. And don't forget the power of combining these hacks for even more astonishing outcomes. Now go forth and let Midjourney be your artistic companion, bringing your wildest ideas to life through the magic of AI. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and inspiring.